There we go. Ooh, this is a good one. Let's do a little slower. There we go. Oh yeah, this one's oh yeah. Alright guys, let's talk about bait. Let's go tuck this away. My bait selection and what I'm using today. Right now the water temperature is around 64 actually this morning. Let me turn my remote on. See, well, spot lock doesn't give me the temperature right now, but it was 64 this morning. The temperature was around 64 this morning. Water temperature. It was actually more chilly outside, 52. I'm in around 13 feet of water. Trying to catch crappie right here at this fish attractor where I usually get them at, but I wasn't getting that much luck. So I went to my trusty fish finder. As you can see here, they're still showing a lot of action right below us, around 10 feet. I'm using a Roadrunner 1/8 ounce jig with a 1.5 inch big bite bait, which is fortified with bite juice. Nice little tube. Sparkle red, the green tail. Little lightweight Ultra Stick GX2 and an old Mitchell reel. And that action is still going right now, right behind me. Hopefully they're still biting. Try to catch some more for you guys. Oh yeah. Some of my viewers might know where I'm at right now. You can see I'm like right next to the bridge. Oh man, he took it. He took it. Uh-oh. Come back. Come back. Alright. That Minn Kota is keeping us right in this general area, so it's doing its job. Oh, right under this. I didn't expect that one.